Step 1. First, choose a virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Player. Both offer free versions. Step 2. Download the chosen virtualization software from its official website. Make sure you get the version for your host operating system. Step 3. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the virtualization software on your computer. Step 4. Once installed, launch the virtualization software. You'll see a manager window to create and manage your VMs. Step 5. Click the New button, or similar, to start the virtual machine creation wizard within the software. Step 6. Enter a name for your virtual machine and select the type and version of the guest operating system you plan to install. Step 7. Allocate RAM, memory, to the virtual machine. A general guideline is half of the host's free memory, or at least 2 gigabytes. Step 8. Create a virtual hard disk for the VM. Choose to create a dynamically allocated or fixed-size virtual disk image. Step 9. Select the size of the virtual hard disk. Consider the storage space needed for the guest OS and applications. Step 10. Review the settings you've chosen for the virtual machine and click Create to finalize the VM creation process. Step 11. Select your newly created VM and click the Settings button to further configure its properties, like network or shared folders. Step 12. Go to the Storage settings and under Controller IDE or Controller SATA, add your OS ISO file to the virtual drive. Step 13. Now, select the virtual machine in the software and click the Start button to power on the VM. Step 14. The virtual machine will boot from the ISO file, starting the installation process of the chosen operating system. Step 15. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the operating system within the virtual machine environment. Step 16. After the OS installation is complete, install the guest editions, VirtualBox, or VMware Tools, VMware. Step 17. Installing guest editions or VMware Tools improves performance and integration between host and guest operating systems. Step 18. Restart the virtual machine after installing guest editions or VMware Tools to apply the changes. Step 19. You can now use the virtual machine as if it were a separate computer running within your main operating system. Step 20. To shut down the VM, simply shut down the guest operating system within the virtual machine window.